agrivive.com, reviving the world through agriculture. Hello and welcome, this is Neil, thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to talk to you about where to buy grains in bulk. Now at this time I know of about 1,450 grain silos throughout the United States. And what I've done is I've mapped them, and I want to show you where they are and how many are in each state. But in order to save time, I'm only going to show you the ones that have 20 or more. Otherwise the video will just be way too long. So if you look in the south, Florida has 20 grain storage silos, Mississippi has 23, Louisiana has 33, Arkansas has 47, Texas has 161, Oklahoma has 39, Tennessee 29, Kentucky has 20. Now if you look in the Midwest, where most of them are, you'll find that Ohio has 69, Indiana has 110, Illinois has 237, Minnesota 55, North Dakota 36, South Dakota 73, Nebraska 69, Kansas 63, Iowa 39, and Missouri has 48 grain silos. In the West, you'll find that Montana has 34, Idaho 21, Colorado 29, and then California has 27. So are you in need of large-scale grain production, bulk or wholesale grains for your mill, silo, or storehouse, or for trade or resale? Then I can help you if the answer is yes. What I need you to do is go to www.agrivive.com, like on the bottom of the screen, and go to my Contact Us page and contact me from there, and I will see you on the website. agrivive.com, reviving the world through agriculture.